Ms. Gigaba.
Good morning, Chair.
Eyiphendulela encwadini efungelwe kaGigaba lapho ephikisa ubufakazi bukaMngoma obuthi wathenga amasudi ngezinsolo zemali ayithola emndenini wakwaGupta. uMngoma uthe iyodwa isudi kaGigaba ayaziyo axhaswa ngayo kanti amanye abalelwa emakhulwini amabili athengwa.
As far as I know, there's only one suit that was sponsored out of more than 200 suits that he had. So most of the suits were paid. And I know that they were paid. So there's only one suit that it was sponsored for him.
uGigaba ukuphikisile nokuthi wayinikeze uMngoma ikhadi lasebhange ayekwazi ukusebenzisa izinkulungwane ezilikhulu zamarandi kulo. Esikhundleni salokho uthi kwakuyikhadi elineyinkulungwane ezintathu zamarandi kuphela. uMngoma uyakuchitha lokhu.
There's nothing in my life that I can do with 3,000 and he knows that. So when it says it was a debit card, that's him saying that. For me, what I know, it was a credit card. He said it was his credit card, but it didn't have his signature, but it was a credit card.
And what was the limit on that credit card?
What he said to me, he said I mustn't use money more than 100,000. So I don't know how much was the credit card, how much was the limit, because it was not linked to me.
uMngoma uyakuphika nokuthi watshela uGigaba ukuthi uzohoxa kulesicwawu uma engamkhokhela izinsolo semali njengengxenye yesehlukaniso sabo.
In January of 2021, did you seek to bribe Mr. Gigaba by saying to him that if he pays you a big settlement and withdraws the criminal complaint against you, you would refuse to testify in the commission? That's what he's saying. Did you do that?
I didn't do that.
Right.
So me appearing at the commission got nothing to do with our divorce. Right. And it was never at hand. It's either we were doing the settlement, I was still going to come to the commission.
Uthi amampunge ukuthi wakhombisa uGigaba imilayezo yakhe nekhomishana ngeWhatsApp.
I've never had a WhatsApp communication between the members, myself and the commission people.
So did you show him WhatsApp communications between
There was
you
no
and
WhatsApp communication because I've never communicated with the commission via WhatsApp.
uMngoma uyakuphika nokuthi imoto ayishayelayo wayithengelwa abeyindaba abathile nabamkhokhela ukuthi adicilele phansi igama likaGigaba. Lesicwawu siyaqhubeka.